Hey guys, again welcome back to my channel like Saxinity. Hope you all are good. So in this video we are going to discuss one of the cue card from January to April 2021 list. So without further delay, you can check out the cue card, that is describe a piece of international news you have just recently heard. So here we want to talk about an international news which we read. So the sub questions, what the news is about, where and when you heard it, what you were doing when you heard the news, explain how you felt about this piece of international news. So you will get 1 minute time and you have to answer continuously for 2 minutes. So here I prepared one model for you. So you can go through this well. So it's better to start off with a cohesive wise. Well, we all know that news and newspaper have an indispensable role in our day-to-day life. I'm not exceptional from others. That means I'm also same like that. I want to start my day with reading newspaper and I'm interested in international and local news updates. So I'm interested in both international and local news update. Then, after giving a small intro, I'm going directly to the topic. Here, I would like to talk about an international news which I heard 2 days before. So, I answered for when. Okay, 2 days before. That was related to COVID 19 vaccination. So, the news was related to COVID 19 vaccination. We all know that now we are facing a pandemic situation due to the widespread of COVID 19 virus. So last day I saw one news in Times of India when I was with my family. So I was with my family that time. So what I was doing, I was with my family that was related to COVID-19 vaccine. And the headline was Britain will allow mixing of COVID-19 vaccine on rare occasions. So I was so eager to know further. So I started to read more. They mentioned that Britain will allow people to be given shots of different COVID 19 vaccine is on rare occasions, despite a lack of evidence about the extent of immunity offered by these mixing doses. That means there is no guarantee for these mixing doses, how long it will be effective or whether it will give immunity power or not. Okay, then for example, so it's better to give examples in your talk. Okay, you can give examples from your life situations and all. For example, if the same vaccine dose was out of stock or if the first product you received is unknown, it is reasonable to offer one dose of the locally available product to complete the schedule. So the same vaccine is not available or the first product you received is not known means that time the second dose can be mixed with the locally available product. So that's the content of that. Anyway, it is reasonable to offer one dose of locally available product to complete the schedule. This was the content of that particular news. So I mentioned about the what was the news about. So what was the content of that particular news? Okay, then you can move on. Anyway, I read complete news and it was really a new information for me. Along with that, they include myriads of reaction from people about this. Myriads means a lot of. So it's better to add proper cohesive devices and range of vocabulary. Okay, so let's continue. But I wish to know more about this mixing of doses, how it will be effective and how they can give such a mixture. So now I'm researching on it. That means I'm so enthusiastic to know further about it. So now I'm researching on it. Anyway, I believe that everything will be back to normal soon. However, the invention of new genetically changed virus is still a dare in front of us. Thus, I think this COVID 19 become a part of our life and we need to move our life along with this safely. Meanwhile, there are growing questions on the effectiveness of vaccine too. Anyway, I felt that we need to work more on it. It's better to give as two different doses at proper interval to improve the efficiency. So that's about my opinion, how I felt about that particular news. So I'm answering for that particular sub question. Under updated government guidance, the second booster dose can now be administered anytime up to 12 weeks apart for both Oxford vaccines and Pfizer. So the P is silent for this word, so we want to pronounce it as Pfizer. Anyway, I think we don't want to lose our hope for a better tomorrow. So it's better to end up your talk properly. For that, you need to know when the 2 minutes is going to complete. Then only you can arrange according to that. So it's better to practice more. Try to include all the sub questions. So it's better to cover all the sub questions in the first minute. Then you can elaborate your point. So it's better to exaggerate the points. So try to practice well, try to record and hear your talk, then you can understand where you put pauses or how you pronounced each word and about the grammatical errors too. So it's better to record and hear your talk and take care about your time too. So if you want more cue cards, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you like means you can give thumbs up and share with your friends who are planning to take their IELTS exams, and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications too. So I will update more cue cards with the sample answers. So stay tuned. I will be back. Thank you so much.